are both Korean clock gong bases, and I'm going to compare the sound of this one and the sound of that one. Truthfully, there probably won't be much difference, but I'm going to do it anyway. So here's the gong I'm going to use. It's a Korean gong too. So first, do this one. Have to get it on here, obviously, which can be fun, especially. And this is what can happen. I'll have to move this one over. Okay, make sure that's screwed down tightly. Tightness makes a big difference. Here goes the first one. That's very nice. I enjoyed that. Okay, now to loosen the gong. If I don't break my session rods there, which I won't. Now I'm gonna take this base off and put the other one in its place. So what you guys been up to? This old boy is gonna be 25 in 3 days. I'm still young. I'm gonna be 25. I'll feel it. 25 is not old. So don't let anybody tell you that it is. Now I'm gonna put this one on. Now one thing, screwing these screws down manually by hand is one way to keep your hands going. That's for sure. But that's no big deal. Gives me something to do. Make sure that left screw's good and tight. Well, it's as tight as it's gonna get. Now bring my gong over and put it on this one and see what it sounds like. Like I said, probably not much difference, but you never know with some things. Okay, get that screwed down. Now let's see how it sounds on this. As you can tell, the gong is kind of nervous. Just kidding. That's pretty nice too, but there's not really much difference. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye.